Maharishi, what is transcendental meditation?
Transcendental meditation is a very natural procedure of experiencing the finite state of the thinking process and arrive at the source of thought, which is pure field of creative intelligence, pure awareness, unbounded awareness is at the source of thought. And through the practice of transcendental meditation, the awareness reaches that source of thought. One feels relaxed, one feels happy inside, worries and anxieties disappear. Transcendental meditation is a practice for 15-20 minutes morning and evening, and everyone feels fresh throughout the day, more vital, more energetic. So transcendental meditation is a procedure for enrichment of life, for betterment of life, for more success and more progress and more joy of life.
Which is the technique used to teach meditation?
The technique is taught in 7 stages. A man is told how much physically he will become better, mentally he will become better, his behavior will improve, all these anger and anxieties, they all disappear. So a man is told in the beginning what benefits he gets. And then he is told how reliable is the practice of transcendental meditation. For the last 15 years, I am teaching throughout the world, and 700,000-800,000 people now are practicing transcendental meditation in different countries. So it's a reliable thing. People should know that it's something which is reliable, something which is simple, everyone can do, and the effects are great. And when they know this, then they want to practice it. Then every individual is given the practice separately. I train the teachers from all over the countries. By now I have trained about 8,000 teachers from different parts of the world. And then these teachers in their areas, speaking their own language, teach to the people in about half an hour. One begins to learn how to meditate, how the experience of finer state of thought makes the mental activity settle down. And when the activity of the mind settles down, one feels very much relaxed. One feels wide awake inside, more vitality. So the teaching of transcendental meditation is in these 7 steps. It takes about half an hour to learn the practice, and then for 3 days we check the experiences and validate. During meditation one begins to feel better. Throughout the day he begins to feel more vital, more wide awake. So these experiences during meditation and experiences during the whole day when one is working, they are verified whether a man has understood the correct practice or not. The practice is very simple, it's very natural, it's effortless. But we want to see whether a man has begun to feel good right from the first day. So it's very simple to teach, it's very simple to learn, and it's very good for life.